morning everyone. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to show you a simple snack. So if you're craving for sushi, I'm gonna show you 3 different types of sushi that you can make at your home with or without a sushi bamboo mat. Let's get started! The first that we're going to do is the baked sushi. You can also mix in whatever seasoning that you would like in this step. You can also use sushi rice or any long grain rice depending on what's available to you. At this point, make sure you keep an eye on your sushi. You can also add cheese depending on your liking. This is the texture that we're looking for, golden brown with a crisp texture. Now let's move on to the sushi rolls. You're going to need a bamboo mat for this one. You also have the option of having the rice on the outside just by flipping it. Make sure you lay out all your pieces evenly for an easy rolling. Now, if you don't have a sushi bamboo mat, you can either use a parchment paper or cling wrap. When rolling, always make sure to keep it tight from the start until the end. Keep your roll tight or else the sushi insides will fall. And now we cut them evenly to make sure they're all the same sizes. You can also customize the size depending on how large you cut your sushi. Another tip, always be careful when cutting the sushi. Be careful not to squish them. And here's another option of a tuna. You can also put salmon or prawns. And here's all of our sushi. Calgary, Canada, Rachelle Lucis. We live in interesting times.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to show us some love by liking it and subscribing or following us on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think. So if there's something that you liked or maybe something you'd like to see from us, let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to make that happen. See you later.